you're going to watch for a pullback right here, Josh, right?
Yep. Oh, just as you said. Yep.
Yep. So that's because this is a really big level, right? So we're going to
Yeah.
get a pullback. It's the same thing every time, you guys, right? And the reason you need to know this, especially you scalpers, is because, again, you'll be like, oh, I'm going to buy right here because it's going to pop 28.10 and just run to the moon. Yeah. And as soon as you bought it, let's say you bought it as soon as it touched, and then you got pullback, guess what? Now you're red. And guess what? If you went in really heavy, now you went really heavy into the red, then you sell it off, and then it runs and makes new high, and you're like, every time I get in, it goes against me. No, it doesn't. You're buying at the wrong time. You're entering with too heavy of an amount. Therefore, you can't sit in the trade that is supposed to be a good trade for you. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes. Yep. And the wrong end of gamma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, sir.
And the wrong end of gamma. That's absolutely true, too. Yep. So this was the perfect example of that gamma. So super broke through. You don't want to buy it up here on the breakthrough. Let it breathe back, which is right here. And now you get it way cheaper. And now if it runs, awesome, excellent price, great opportunity to break this area. And if you get stopped out because you didn't pay a ton of money on the premium, you didn't really lose now, did you? Make sense? Good. That's why I always tell you guys,
Yes.
when it breaks through, wait for the retest. Then this is the entry to go for it. Not here. It always will pop through, retest, and then make its next move. Otherwise, if it breaks the retest, it's just going to collapse. So why would you want to buy way up top when it's going to retest to see if it wants to super drop or super pop, right? Why buy it on the breakthrough? That's chasing it. Does that make sense, everybody? That's just, you're just chasing it. And then you're going to get burned by premium. So right here, Soxo could not hold 28.11. Your stop would immediately got broke down. But guess what? You bought it right here. And now you already know, because it broke through the key critical area that could not hold on a retest. You already know your inputs. Boom. That's scalping. Make sense? And you bought it cheap. You didn't chase the run. You are now in the correct direction. You're making money. You already know the next critical area right here at 28. You already know all the things, and you got paid. You flipped it immediately. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. So just like this, take a look at this, everybody. Do you see how, remember, 524.73 was a critical level? Everybody see it? So it came up, couldn't hold. We said it would pull back. It did. Immediate retest. This is bullish. It broke through, bang to the upside. Guess what? Guess what? If it can't hold this level, that's puts all day, right? Makes sense? We're in the same situation now. Now you're back over here. This is puts on resistance in a stop just above. If it does hold and break, calls and puts just below, or a stop just below, excuse me. Make sense, everybody?